How to fix your PC getting error and your video won't play. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up your Google Chrome, sign into your account one side and tap on this three dot, scroll below, tap on settings. Inside here, you want to go ahead and simply scroll below, then select system. Now you want to go ahead and simply turn off the option that says use hardware acceleration when it's available. After that, you want to go ahead and simply click on relaunch. Now next, clear your browser data. Now inside settings, you want to go ahead and simply tap on privacy and security. Scroll below, tap on delete browsing data. Now inside here, select all of them and then tap on delete data. And finally, you want to go ahead and check your extension. Tap on extensions tab and then turn off all extension. Some extension interfere with video playbacks. So turn it off and just like that, your problem will be fixed. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.